What do you do when defeat has moved in and you can't find your way back to your own creative energy? That's when to use this surprising tool. It involves drawing a circle, two words, and your breath. I know, seems unlikely. Let's do it anyway. Hi, I'm Angela Beeching, back with another tool for musicians. This is one I created, and it's very much inspired by the work of Phil Stutz and Barry Michels. And before I walk you through this, I need to explain three key concepts. You're going to want to know these, especially if you're new to the tools, because they're key to getting the best results. First up is part X. This is the force that seeks to sabotage you, to block you from reaching your potential. It wants to keep you playing small and safe in life. So it berates you with messages like, you don't have what it takes, or you're not ready for this, or wait and do this when you're inspired. Every musician grapples with their own version of Part X. There's nothing good about it. It's out to annihilate your dreams. Second key concept is the shadow. It's what you've tried to deny, ignore, or abandon in yourself. It's the traits that you believe make you unlovable. And the thing is, your shadow parts are also the source of your highest inspiration. They're the key to becoming who you are meant to be. So we've done part X and the shadow. Third is this. The tools aren't just about moving your career forward. They're designed to help you access higher forces because artistry, peak performance, and creative inspiration are all about connecting to something greater than yourself. And no, you don't have to believe in anything to use these tools and get something valuable from them. You just have to give them a try. To be open enough to use the tool every day for a week and see what happens. So, with that background, let's do the tool. I invite you to lower your gaze or close your eyes. This is the circle. Bring to mind the last time you felt demoralized, flooded with a sense of defeat, and unable to climb out of the maze of negativity. Maybe it was because of a failed audition, a less than stellar performance, or some other setback, and you were unable to reconnect to any sense of motivation. You were immobilized. In other words, bring to mind the last time that Part X was kicking your butt. Feel those feelings and push those remembered feelings off to the side, away from you. Now, in your mind's eye, in your imagination, see yourself standing barefoot on a large, luxuriously thick carpet. Bending down, sink one finger into the carpet and use it to trace a large circle around you, drawing its circumference into the nap of the carpet. In doing so, you are consecrating this space as a meeting ground. This means you honor what's inside the circle. Now stand tall at the center of the circle and stretch out your toes in the cooling nap of the carpet. Take in a deep breath, and with that inhale, say the word we. Feel the breath filling you up to the very top of your head. Pause that breath and then let it go. And with the exhale, say the word are. Repeat the pattern. Breathe in we, breathe out are. Breathe in we, breathe out are. In this way, you are breathing with and acknowledging all of your shadow parts, welcoming them into the circle. Your shadows are the parts of you that hold your vulnerabilities and dreams, your imagination and inspiration. Sense your shadow's energies, their presence as you keep breathing the we are. Feel the sensation of your shadows activated in and through your body, from your feet up through your legs to your pelvis, spine, chest, your shoulders, arms, hands, and neck, all the way to the crown of your head. Honoring this circle means listening for, giving attention to, and making room for all of your shadows, not just the ones you find easy to love. Convene all of yourselves in the circle. Breathe in, we, breathe out, are. And once you have a tactile sense of all your shadows with you in the circle and can feel their energy circulating in and surging through your body, call to mind the archetype of the divine feminine. You might think of her as Mother Nature or Mother Earth, or simply as the essential energy of creation, the life force itself. However you conceive of her, she embodies the powerful sense of a benevolent universe holding you in loving kindness. She believes in you. She knows you and your shadows inside out. She acknowledges your fears, your faults, your failings, and she sees your goodness shining through it all. She knows the gifts you are here to bring into the world. Ask her for help. Ask her what specifically you can do this day, what actions you can take with your shadows that will bring forward her energy and light. And listen for any twinge of insight or intuition. That's likely the form her help will come in. And once you are accustomed to making the circle with your shadows and together asking for help, experiment with expanding the circle to include others while you are interacting with them. That way, you can honor both your own shadows and theirs, and honor the divine feminine that's lit within each of you. This can help you create a sense of community and belonging, regardless of the circumstances or company you find yourself in. And when you're ready, open your eyes. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below. I'd love to hear what you experience using the circle. And please pass this on to any other musicians you know who could use it. We're all in this together. See you next time.